kitchen for a little while, Manny.
Let me check on Mutlu then. Mutlu! Mutlu!
Now that's good. Let's take brown now. And now, let's add some hair here. Hi-ya! Hi!
Mutlu, what did you do?
What happened? I'm just drawing the picture of my sister on the wall with the hop-chaton technique of the samurai.
Yes, but you painted the wall.
I know. Sometimes I don't know where my art is going to appear. I also ran out of paper.
But your parents are gonna be sad when they see what you did with the wall.
What? You really think so? Oh no! What are we gonna do? Let's erase it all then. Oh no! My sister! Help me, Manny! She can't see this wall!
I forgot. I promised that I'd help my mom in the kitchen today.
Exactly, sis! You should go to the kitchen right now!
I agree, totally.
You're right. Let me do that.
What are we gonna do now?
We should find the same color as the wall and repaint it.
You'll roll them like this now.
Oh, Minnie was going to help Mom as well. Now I can't remember what I was going to do all over again.
Come on to the garage! Oh no! Stop!
I think...
The paint was in the garage, right, Mutlu?
Was I going to read a book? Nope, not that. Was I supposed to call Zuzu?
Dear Neşe, you're taking care of Mutlu as you promised us, right?
Of course, this is it. I was going to take care of Mutlu.
You know that the weather is bad, so we're home. Don't let him get into trouble.
Yeah, about that. I'll check on him right away, Dad. Mutlu, what did you do again? Oh, how did I forget Mutlu? It doesn't come off. My mom will be so sad if she sees it. I don't understand what he drew. Let me call Zuzu and tell her to bring some paint. We'll cover the wall before my parents see.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Nanny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside.